Yeah, hi. Just enjoying a bit of the peace, calm, quiet down here by the water. In all the excitement in yesterday's renovation update, I forgot to tell you that the next couple of days, I don't have to renovate. It's Liam's birthday weekend. Tonight, just relaxing. I'm just having a moment by myself here, just listening to the sound of silence. Although there are a few other sounds that always remind you of summer. One are the mosquitoes. Oh yeah, and that's another sound. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. There's a mosquito trying to drink my drink. Get off. One less mosquito to worry about. Cheers.